Hey Craft Cousins, it's Charity, and I'm back to hopefully complete and successfully create our Power Ranger ornaments that we started on yesterday. Yesterday was full of polyacrylic and glitter. If you saw the video, my child wasted some glitter on the floor, and yeah, all good vibes, I guess, in the name of holiday spirit and tree decorating. So hopefully, um, this decal situation works. Now I have a giant disc, which it measured out to be about 5.5 across. I'm not sure if they're even circles, but to me it really doesn't matter. I used a bit of painter's tape because it's not, of course, a flat disc. It kind of has a little dimension on the sides. And when I took it off, the tape that I measured was 5.5-ish, basically. Um, so when I like to, first of all, change my screen if I can find it. My blank canvas. I don't know why I was tripping. Blank canvas, change it to black. Well, not black, actual black. So I'm doing the original Mighty Morphin Power Rangers that have the diamond shapes. I'm gonna go ahead and make that white. And just to keep on brand, I'm gonna go ahead and make this pink because Heiress or red. No pink. Ew. Don't mind me with the specifics here, but this doesn't matter at all. This is just for a reference of really like a template. And I already know off top this is going to be way too big on my, I think I'll probably want it to be about 1.25 tall. Um, that means that I just have to kind of stretch it out. Maybe 2 inches isn't bad. I start towards the top. I'm going to duplicate, put these all in a row. And my desire was to have it wrap all the way around, like touch the ends. But I guess I won't trip about that. I'm going to, and I'm holding shift at the moment to get them all. I'm going to align them vertically. Yeah, I'm going to align them vertically. And I did 2 inches, which I'm not sure if that's going to be too big. So since I have them all three together, I'm going to just spread it because this is originally how I wanted it. And this will be a trial and error run. So the top of my ornament will be here. I'm actually going to group them, and then unlock their height and try to do 1.5. Eh, I don't know if putting a little belt right here would be doing too much, but I wanted to have, I'm not liking that though. Yeah, I may just go with that. And let me try to find a picture for reference. I was pretty sure they were all about the same size, but and you know what? Looking at these, let me see, Mighty Morphin. Um, Someone's shaking my windows outside. Okay, so looking at them, it's really one big middle, and the sides are half, so they are not to be all the same size. So even if I did it like this, I think that gives me the look that I'm going for. And I could, of course, weld this and then cut this off if need be. Yeah. Let's see if I take it down to 1.25. Okay, 2 inches I'm comfortable with. I was trying to get this end aligned with this end, but it really doesn't matter. Okay, this is a lot bigger than I thought I was going to want to do it. What's the problem? He's taking your hiding place? It's okay. Go back in there. I'm trying to get your stuff ready for your Power Rangers. You got to go in there, and then I'll come in a minute. So I'm going to weld it together. Go, Munchkin. Go. So back on the circle, I'm going to duplicate this circle. That is not where you're supposed to be. I'm going to make it red. Want it to be here, but I do not necessarily need all of this extra. So I'm going to make this one 6 inches. We're going to center everything. Not center, center horizontally. So then I can make this one totally disappear. And from this, I'm going to weld, because then it should give me, slice. It should give me a little overlay. This is deleted. This is deleted. These pieces are gone. Okay. You can bring our circle back. So it gives a little bit to account for that curve in it. And I'm going to save it because I'm not sure, but I'm also not mad at my brain process for it all. And then I'll have to, if I get this right, then I'll just have to downsize it to accommodate for the smaller ones that I have for me and my husband, or for my husband. And on those, I might just make a mask. And I wanted to have like a little belt. I'm not sure how this will work. Maybe something like this. I duplicate. Why can't he play with you? Why are you even hiding? So my mind is trying to, because if I create a straight line across, let me think, it's going to be warped. Because it is not, like, it's kind of spherical. So I'm going to take this just to play, I guess. I'm going to make this, which I guess it needs to curve up this way. I'm not really sure. But I'll make it big enough just in case. Because I do want to put the little pendant right here. This one. So I'll make this one blue. That'll be the one that I want to keep. Oops. I don't want to keep everything in line, so I'll just keep that away. And then I will just slice this and how it curves up a little bit. I'm hoping it's to wrap around like a planet's rings do. So I think I have black here. I hope I do. Anyways, so this will in theory be black. So I'm going to try to find pink Power Rangers. And then I do this. I'm gonna do with him. Okay, go, baby. Here, the pink Power Ranger has this little thing, which save is. I just saved it as Power Ranger decal. However, I do believe, and I know, actually, I know I do at this point. I have a file for when we did Halloween that has Power Rangers. I'm not sure if I've up. I was sublimating, so maybe I didn't. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I did. Let's see. Power Ranger. See for earlier this year. I'm gonna just snatch this just because I could use this whole little circle thing. Complex. I'm just going to crop this little thing because this is what I actually want. Boom. And to make things easier, I'll click this and just click 100 because it kind of does a better job at getting rid of jagged edges. Now it's not perfect, but it works. Continue. This is all I want. So Power Ranger buckle. And maybe I'll search my files for buckle. So I was pretty sure I had one for everybody. Oh. Okay, so I saved it in Photoshop. Yeah. And oh man. Okay. Whatever. You know what? I can actually just use one of these and use it for my sons. Actually, I'll just make those gone, make that gone. File. Save as Lux Ranger. Save it as a PNG. Nope. And I'm trying to move fast because I like my videos to be 15 minutes or less. Okay. So yeah, let's find Cricut. So browse. Now it should be in my recents. Lux Ranger, perfect. Here, complex. Moving right along. Let's do a preview to make sure it's just that. Okay. Continue. And save. So I'm just going to insert this. And it's obviously flipped. This is the size it'll be. I'm going to save it. And now I'm going to make it. So I'll be making a cut of everything except for this. And I'll show you how it goes. One little small tiny print. I'm gonna print on sticker paper for this. And yeah, this is gonna be vinyl and vinyl. Alright, we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching.